Okay, it's time to start my talk. Thank you for coming at this. I took the picture here in Riga. I found camera.
Where is it?
It is close to the bus terminal, east side, I think. This talk is titled Oriental Perl Enterprise. My name is Yusuke Kawasaki. I came from Japan. Yesterday, I said that I came from Japan, so some people said that you were Miyagawa. I'm sorry, I'm not Miyagawa. However, I love her and JavaScript and ActionScript. I wrote some of the Japan modules. There's no I will talk to start in this Yakushi. This talk is about the Oriental Perl Enterprise. I will talk about how we, Japanese company, improve Perl application environment. And two of case studies from a Japanese company. And I will have another talk on Wednesday afternoon. The title will be Hack for Japan. I will talk about how we Japanese developers did after the disaster. You know, March 11, we had a huge earthquake in Japan. So, and in this talk, I don't talk about the disaster. I talk about only enterprise use of Perl. I love Yakushi Europe. This is my third time to come to Yakushi Europe. In 2008, in Copenhagen, I gave talk about dumb manipulation by remote. And in Lisbon, next year, I can talk about augmented reality. I love this human-computer interface. However, I don't talk with this. I will not talk such interesting stuff today. Okay. And I love Yakushi Europe because this conference is very international compared to another Yakushi. Yakushi North American, it's about 90% came from United States. And Asia, more than 90% attended from Japan. However, this Yakushi Europe, many people come from all of Europe. And talks have a good balance. And I love the Yakushi Europe because great cities host Yakushi Europe every year. It's good for sightseeing as well. So yesterday, I started to write this dress.
I started the day before.
Show off.
At a beautiful beach.
I think that's why it's long though.
I love this side in the beach. It's very high sunlight. It's a bit hard. Okay, the main story about case study in our company. Okay, number one is Perl and Amazon relational database service and Apache Solar. What is Recruit web service? Recruit is the name of my company. Recruit is Japan's information media publishing giant, number one company ever for this area. So I'm working in Meditechnical Lab in Recruit research and development department. Recruit web service have more than 20 APIs make our data open. So most of it we use XAMPP, Linux, Apache, MySQL, and Perl. Yeah, my module XM3BP is used in services, and we handle 500 billion requests per month, every month. However, I see Japanese full text search provided by Triton, we use that. I don't think you know the Triton, the name of open source software. We use most of language with status. My name is Yusuke Kawasaki, is English. and I'm not familiar with other languages. And we use language without spaces. Kawasaki Yusuke, the same meaning. My name is Kawasaki. So it's hard to use full text search. So Recruiter web service started. The latest one is local search API. It handles, it manages more than 10 million points of interest: restaurants, shops, and hotels, government office, 100 million requests per month. And we made architecture changes. Previous version was implemented by Java and PostgreSQL in the first enterprise search platform. Norway company, right? A new version we re-implement was Perl and MySQL and Apache Soda. And we also use Amazon relational database service. The good point of that is the parse and count and schedule snapshot is very easy and lower cost. And also we use Apache Soda. It's very fast and scalable. Triton is good software, however, it's not enough for managing records, 10 million records. Apache Soda is open source. It's implemented by Java, however, they have a full featured REST-like HTTP APIs. So we can easily handle that from Perl. In AWS, we have a layered architecture, a load balancer, script, cache layer, and web application written in Perl. And again, script cache and the Solar server. We have layered. This cache layer decrease in request by caching. Fast system, fast enterprise search is expensive. However, Solar performs better than fast. Before tuning, most of requests we can handle it less than 1 second. Another case, I talk about Zen and VMware. We have production environment using Zen. The live migration feature very good. Guest VM is movable. Change the host VM on live without restarting. It's great for production environment. Recently, we also use Amazon EC2. However, we are a Japanese company. We have original security regulation, so EC2 could not match to our regulation in some cases. Talking about development environment in local for developers, we use VMware. At starting a project, the team leader provides an initial virtual machine image for other members, other developer members. It's the start of developing. The VM image includes a patch and database and other middlewares. This database is for testing and developing. So the team member can share the exactly same version of middleware by copying VM image. It's a key point of this style. Right? And developers write codes on local Mac or local PC, then commit the code to some version repositories. Some developer also uses Git on local in addition to subversion. However, subversion is good because we have a backlog service. It's Japan-based SaaS service for subversion. It's pretty easy. for also designers. So we can have a good communication with developers and designers. That's key point. So we share the code. We centralize subversion repositories like this. And the test is important. And how to install Shibuya modules? We use Shibuya miners. And Shibuya modules are also on subversion repository next to the application code. However, this means we need the same version of operation system in Perl because of excess binary compatibility. However, we have the same version of VM image, so VM helps us to use exactly same version. Developer must run tests before any subversion commits, naturally, like this. So, Ishiba-san website commits new code and test that and other developers PC and the staging environment and production environment. Next, I talk about Mashup Awards. Last year, we had a Mashup Awards contest. It is Japan's largest annual web application development contest. More than 500 works applied to the contest. This year, we will have that again. Mashup Awards 7. It will start from this September. Grand Prix is priced 1 million yen. Applicants from abroad like you are strongly welcome. Submit your web application or smartphone application to Mashup Awards 7. Okay. And I'd like to talk about YAPC Asia 2011. It's the world's largest YAPC. We will have YAPC in this October. See more detail on yapcasia.org. And Miyagawa-san, the program master, will come this year. You can find it here. And I have an announcement. Transliteration, you know that Latin to another characters. My Shibuya module for Latinization of Asian language, or Japanese and Korean and Chinese. I have 3 modules. And other guy, Alex, have a lingual translate is a module for Cyrillic. I reported these modules to iPhone and Android. The Russian alphabet is a latest application. It's available on iPhone and Android. I want you to search Russian alphabet on iPhone App Store and Android market. The app, I need this app because I make a transit before come to Riga. I made a transit at Moscow. So, however, character is almost magic, you know. I cannot just read. So, this application helps you to pronounce characters. You can order with this application, Borshichi, and the beef surround. It's quite hard to pronounce. It'll be.
How will you input? But how will you input Cyrillic? How will you type Cyrillic?
Oh, iPhone has a built-in Cyrillic keyboard. Built-in. So Android has a free keyboard for Russian. So I it's now free. Because I love the application and I want you all to use the application to communicate with others and go Moscow or to go to Asian countries. And it's free until the Thursday. So get these all 6 applications from iPhone Store. Conclusion. I will talk about some of examples how we Japanese company use Perl these days. And I want you to come to Yoshi Asia in this October. In Tokyo, it's very safe at this time. Yes, I will talk more detail Wednesday.
No food poisoning. All your food that comes pre-irradiated.
We'll test it. Thank you.